Welcome back, children, to lesson number 8 of your EVS subject, Science of Kitchen. Children, in my last video, you learned about components of food or nutrients required in food. Children, take out page number 62 of your EVS subject and see paragraph number 1 and third line of that paragraph. We prepare food either by boiling, roasting, frying or deep frying. So children, these are some methods of cooking, and today we will learn about different methods of cooking. Children, I know you all like pakoras, vada paos, then french fries. You all love that. Do you know which method of cooking is required in this type of for making these types of food items? Yes, deep frying. Deep frying is a cooking method in which food is submerged in hot oil. That means the food is totally dipped in the oil and then fried. It is performed using oil that is heated in a pot or skillet. It is also known as hot fat cooking method because here maximum number of oil or fat, that is ghee, also can be used. It also increases our calorie consumption. Generally, children like eating fried foods. Excessive eating of deep fried food is not good for health. So children, whenever you eat deep fried foods, eat in limit. Now children, there are some people who like deep frying but they do not want to take more of oil into their food and they prefer shallow frying. Shallow frying is also oil based cooking. It is generally used for cooking cutlets, patties, portion size cuts of meat and fish, etc. It is also used to cook vegetables. In this process of cooking, the food is partially submerged in oil. It is better than deep frying in case of calorie consumption because here less amount of oil is used compared to deep frying. Yes children, idlis. I know you all like idlis. And do you know how idlis are prepared? Yes, by steaming. Steaming is a method of cooking using steam. This is done with a food steamer specially designed for steaming foods. Idlis, patras, dhoklas, idda are some food items which are prepared by steaming. This method of cooking is considered as healthy cooking technique because it does not involve any oil. Children, I know you like cakes, muffins, breads, garlic breads, etc. And do you know which method is required to cook these foods? Yes, baking. Baking is a method of preparing food that uses dry heat, normally in an oven. Many food items are baked like bread, biscuits, cookies, cakes, etc. In this process, the heat is transferred to the surface of the food item and then to the center. That means the food in the oven starts cooking from outside and then it goes to the heat goes to the center. The food items which you deep fry can also be baked to reduce calorie consumption. Children, when you go to any restaurant, you might have ordered or you might have seen that in the menu there is an option of roasted papad or fried papad, and many a times we choose roasted papad. You know why? Yes, because it has no oil. Yes, so children, another method of cooking is roasting. Roasting is a cooking method that uses dry heat where hot air covers the food, cooking it evenly on all sides with the temperature of at least 150 degree centigrade. This process can be performed on an open flame or oven or any other heat source. Children, बैंगन का भरता, Do you enjoy that? I know you all enjoy bangan ka bharta. In that brinjal is roasted on the flame. Directly also you can roast it, or you can even use oven to roast it. Children, roasted corn, meat, and even many vegetables are prepared by this method, and this is also a healthy way of, or healthy method of cooking. Children, do you know that when primitive man started cooking, they adopted this method of cooking? That means roasting was the method which they adopted for cooking. That means this is the oldest method of cooking. Yes, now boiling. Boiling is the method of cooking food in which boiling water or other water-based liquids are used. A wide range of foods can be boiled, like vegetables, eggs, pasta, rice, fish, meat, etc. Generally, people don't like this method of cooking, but it is very healthy. But sometimes overboiling of food loses water soluble nutrients from the food, which are very essential for our body. So children, we should not drain the water from the food when we are cooking food by boiling. Children, steaming and boiling are methods of cooking which are healthiest for our body. Children, I hope you all understood different methods of cooking. This was for all today. We will meet in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.